in Thailand. What are we doing?
First, we are going to take the boat, and then first stop is to the Grand Palace, Wat Arun, and Wat Pho. That is the ones that we want to see.
Yeah,
so
vamos.
Yeah.
We're walking to the skytrain.
Okay, we are here in Asok, and we have to go to Saphan Taksin, here in Saturn Pier. That is where we are going to take the boat.
Oh, me first? Okay. We're on TV. Where are we going? Up here? Ooh, there's no one. Thanks, maybe. It was 44 for one ride.
We're at the pier and it is 15 baht each to get from here up toward the Grand Palace.
Have to go to the left side.
Why? Because you don't want sun?
No.
I want sun.
Okay.
We're stuck standing. Grand Palace, 500.
So we just got to the Grand Palace and it was 500 baht each to enter.
So this is crazy. We've both been here before, and now there's like no people.
Yeah, no people. It's crazy.
Compared to years ago. This one we just went in is the
Temple
of the Emerald Buddha, which you have to take your shoes off, and you can't take pictures inside. So the inside was really cool, but no pictures and no videos. Yeah, so last time when my friend and I came here, I was wearing leggings and we had to wear all these crazy clothes. So this time we're prepared. But yeah, shirts are covered and we both have long pants.
Yes.
Which is very hot, but
No, it's not bad.
it looks a lot better than the crazy stuff that we had to wear like 7 years ago. This is definitely the best time to come to Thailand because there's literally no one here. It's amazing. These ones are the demon guardians, which there's 6 pairs. So there's 12 of them that are facing the Emerald Temple, and they're supposed to be like protecting it from evil spirits, even though they're called demons, so that's kind of weird. And there's more, and I guess around there's another demon back here. There's another demon. Here is the model of Angkor Wat. Another place I really want to go.
We just left the palace and we're gonna try and grab some food before we go check out 2 more temples.
He gave us bowls of ice to cool us down. He said you can put it on like your head or your hands. They're making my matcha latte. Oh, is this mine? Here. I feel like I'm gonna spill it. Oh, yeah, vegetable pad thai, and you got chicken pad thai?
Yes.
Yeah? Nice. Yeah, I use my chopsticks. Someone is using a fork. Yay! This one looks so spicy. Carlos just put it all over his food.
No, just here.
Is it spicy?
No, it's fine.
No?
Where are you from?
America, Spain.
America, Obama.
Yeah.
Came here before,
Yeah.
about 10 years ago.
Everyone here keeps just talking to us and they're just super nice and then they leave. And we keep thinking like, oh, they're gonna try and sell us something and like, everyone's just nice.
Yeah, super friendly, super nice.
But yeah, I want postcards.
So we're now entering Wat Pho, which is supposed to have this huge reclining Buddha. And yeah, it's really close to the Grand Palace. We just walked over here.
200 baht and you get a water. Here's a sign about Buddha. It says don't use Buddha in a bar as a decoration or a tattoo. The gold through the windows.
The reclining Buddha is actually 15 meters tall and 46 meters long.
I've never been here before, but Carles has.
It's so cool, right?
No, he said before when he was here, like before COVID, the line was like out the door and was super crazy.
Like you have to wait for 5-10 minutes here outside. And here you can even not take pictures because it's so busy. But now,
Yeah, we just walked right in, there's no line.
and we can do whatever we want right now.
Yeah, nice. See all of it on the bottom of the feet.
Make sure you don't miss the bottom of the Buddha's feet because they're so cool. Like the detail in the feet is insane. Another cool thing you can do at Wat Pho is for 20 baht, you can buy a bowl of coins and then you can walk around dropping the coins into, there's supposed to be 108 bowls and it's for good luck.
One in
Every one. You can get a massage in here.
Another Wat Pho fun fact is it's actually a school for massage too, and you can get massages just right here walking around.
Just left Wat Pho. Now we're trying to cross the river and go to Wat Arun. And I'm tired. I want a massage. Carly sees fruit. He needs his pineapple. I want a piece of pineapple today too though.
You want?
Yeah.
So you two?
Well, I don't want a bag. No, I just want a piece of yours.
Just one.
You have 20. Pineapple time. Yeah.
So good. For €1.
Oh,
No, less than €1. 70 cents.
it's so good and it's cold.
Yeah. So, go to the street.
Waiting for a boat to go here.
It's so easy to do the Grand Palace, Wat Pho, and then Wat Arun because they're all so close to each other.
So here, you can just cross the river right to Wat Arun for 4 baht. It's cheap. And it's like, yeah, directly across the river. They're really good on keeping us all hydrated here. The last 2 we got free waters and we're just drinking all the water here. There's the king and the queen and someone else.
Wat Arun.
The Temple of Dawn. And you can climb it. To climb. So Carlos has been here before, and he said last time he went up these stairs. But now they're closed. Don't know if that's for COVID or what, but we will see where we can climb. We are taking the MRT home. This is not the one that we got cards for earlier, the BTS. So we need to get more cards, I guess, for this one.
No, not cards.
No? Just a ticket?
Yeah, now we have the passport so we can try it.
Yeah.
I don't know the name of the card. So.
Same. Home and chilled, showered.
Yeah, we are burned.
Yeah, we are a little burnt. Yeah.
We're taking a tuk-tuk to a rooftop bar to end the night because it's Bangkok.
So much space. It's our first tuk-tuk ride this time around in Thailand. So it's been what, like 6 years for me?
And 2 years and a half for me.
But it's fun. Where are we going?
Brewski.
Yeah, this one. Brewski.
Brewski.
Here, elevator. Cashless. Right? We got mirror. And it was how much?
280, that's...
We're so definitely not cheap. But the views